Well, here's a quick look at the E-mini S&P for Tuesday, April the 20th, 2010. At E-mini Day Trader, if you haven't seen any of our videos before, we always like to start off by taking a look at the market profiles. And each day has a market profile or a lettered market profile as well as a volume profile. So this is what occurred today. These previous two are what occurred overnight, and this is what occurred yesterday, both market profile and volume profile. So we did get the follow through of the buying, as you can see, this being yesterday's high. This is the overnight high, and then this is the high for today. So we've got a high over here at 12:10.50. So that's the next target that we're looking at, and the support area that we had mentioned yesterday didn't quite get down that low. So the overnight session was pretty strong. We thought it might get down as low as 90 or 91. It did not get that low and just moved on higher. So we're still looking at the market to possibly find support around 1204 with an expectation of testing that 1210 area. So those are the immediate areas of support and resistance that we're looking at. Here are the market profiles for the regular trading hours only. We had also mentioned that area in around 1200 even to approximately 1197, and here's that area right here as a possible support slash resistance area. So you can see that when the market came in, it only traded down to the low of that area and then obviously moved higher. And obviously took out yesterday's high, even left a bit of a gap, and so pretty good move higher today. As far as our individual trades were concerned today, it was a pretty narrow range of trading. I believe we only had about 8 3/4 points range today, so pretty tight. We only had actually one trade which hit our first objective. It was a short in here. Moved a 1.25 in our direction, only one tick against us. We had very close to getting into a second long trade in here, but we're not triggered into it. And so just the one trade there today. Worst case scenario was a break even, although it did move a 1.25 in our direction, as I said. So pretty quiet day today. We're looking at the market to find that support, probably once again in around the 1204 area or down around the 1200 area. So possible support either at 1204 or 1200, with the target up there at the recent high around 1210.50. So a fairly quiet day, and tomorrow there's no news either, and so the market could just, depending on how some of these earnings are coming out, it could move higher if the earnings news is well received. So that's really what we're looking at, just further continuation up. Look for an opportunity to get long on a pullback. So that's kind of a quick look at the market through the eyes of E-mini Day Trader. If you've got any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Always look forward to receiving your questions and comments. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we will see you again tomorrow.